Just 1 tablespoon is enough to keep snails away. If you have snails in your garden eating everything you grow, try this trick. Pour instant coffee into a bowl. The caffeine in coffee is toxic to snails. It also has a strong smell and slightly acidic pH, making it an unfriendly environment for these pests. Importantly, it's safe for plants. Transfer the coffee to a tall container. Add about 1 cup of warm water and stir until the coffee dissolves completely. Now take a garden sprayer. Unscrew the cap and pour the prepared coffee solution inside. Then dilute the mixture with about 1.5 gallons of clean water. Close the sprayer tightly. Use this spray on plants vulnerable to snails, especially vegetables, lettuce, or herbs. That's where pests usually appear. Snails will disappear within a few hours. This spray irritates and repels them. A completely natural way to take back control of your garden. This is how you'll catch all the snails in your garden in one night. It's a natural method that works instantly. I struggled with snails in my garden for years, but after using this trick, they disappeared right away. The preparation takes just a moment. Start by preparing a plastic container, like one from fruit or margarine. The main ingredient is beer. Choose a cheap, dark one. Fermenting beer releases a strong aroma that snails can sense from far away. Pour about 2 cups into the container. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to enhance the smell. The next ingredient is yeast. It will kick off the fermentation process. Add 1 tablespoon. You can also add a bit of soy sauce. Its salty taste and aroma will further boost the effectiveness of the mixture. If you want the mixture to be even more effective, peel a cucumber and add the peels inside. It acts as extra bait that snails absolutely love. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let it sit for 30 minutes. Set the trap in the evening, exactly where you've seen snail trails. The smell of fermentation will lure the snails, and they'll crawl right into the container. Change the mixture every 3 days. You'll see results after just one night. Your garden will be safe, and your plants saved. A natural slug-repelling mix. A trick passed on to me by an old gardener. You can also use it as an eco-friendly fertilizer. I've been using it regularly since last season, and I have to say, the results are amazing. Slugs, especially the shellless ones, can do serious damage by chewing through leaves, stems, roots, and even flowers. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. The strong aroma keeps slugs away, and the caffeine it contains can actually affect their nervous system, making them avoid the area. Then add 3 tablespoons of sawdust. Its rough, uneven texture irritates the soft bodies of slugs and soaks up moisture from the soil, creating an environment they hate. Next, add 3 tablespoons of wood ash. It also dries out the soil surface and makes it even harder for slugs to move. Plus, it's rich in potassium and calcium, which naturally enrich the soil. Finally, crush 1 eggshell and add it to the mix. The sharp pieces act as a barrier and also release calcium into the soil, improving its structure and nourishing your plants. Stir everything thoroughly and sprinkle a thin layer around your garden beds. There's no need to overdo it. Just mark a clear line that slugs won't want to cross. This natural method is cheap, effective, and completely safe for your garden. This is one of the most effective homemade ways to deal with slugs in the garden. With this trick, you can protect lettuce, strawberries, and other plants without using chemicals. Prepare a bowl and pour in 200 milliliters of water to create the base of the mixture. The next ingredient is honey. Add 1 generous tablespoon because its sweet scent attracts slugs very effectively. The next ingredient is yeast, which releases a strong aroma during fermentation that slugs find irresistible. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast to the bowl. Now it's time for apple cider vinegar, whose distinctive smell makes the trap even more effective. Add 1 tablespoon. The last ingredient is a banana, preferably very ripe, because it gives off a strong, sweet aroma. Cut it into smaller pieces and add it to the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly. Now prepare an empty container with a lid, for example, an ice cream box. Make several rectangular holes on the sides, large enough for the slugs to crawl inside. Place the finished trap in the garden where slugs appear most often, for example near cabbage, lettuce, or strawberries. Then pour the prepared mixture inside and close the lid. Slugs are attracted to the smell of fermenting yeast and ripe banana, so they quickly crawl into the trap. It's a simple, natural, and effective way to reduce slugs in the garden without using chemicals. This is how you can catch every slug in your garden. This simple trick helps attract slugs effectively and reduce their presence around garden beds, flowers, and vegetables. Thanks to this, they won't damage leaves and young plants so easily anymore. It's an old gardening trick that many people use, especially after rain when slugs appear in the largest numbers. Prepare a shallow metal bowl. Its surface holds the scent of the mixture well and makes it easier for slugs to crawl inside. The first ingredient is apple juice, whose sweet and intense smell strongly attracts slugs. Cut off a small piece of cardboard and pour the juice into the bowl so the scent spreads through the garden even more easily. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, which strengthens the aroma of the mixture and makes it even more attractive to slugs. The next ingredient is salt. Add 1 generous tablespoon. Salt helps reduce the presence of slugs effectively and acts as a strong irritant to them. Mix everything very thoroughly so all the ingredients combine well. Place the finished bowl next to garden beds, vegetables, or areas where slugs appear most often. It's best to place it out in the evening because that's when slugs are most active. After a short time, you'll notice that the mixture effectively attracts slugs and helps reduce their presence in the garden. In the morning, just check the bowl, and, if needed, prepare a fresh mixture again. An eco-friendly way to catch all the snails in your garden. Gardeners love this trick. You can make this cheap trap in just a few minutes. Start with a large bowl to prepare the mixture. The first key ingredient is all-purpose flour. Measure out 1 cup. Flour is rich in starch, which acts as both a food source and a thickener. It gives the mixture the right consistency. Pour the flour into the bowl. Then, measure 2 cups of cold tap water and add it to the flour. The water helps blend everything into a smooth mixture. Whisk well until there are no lumps. Now for the most important ingredient, yeast. During fermentation, yeast releases carbon dioxide and a strong scent that attracts snails. Add an entire packet of yeast to the bowl and stir again. Next, grab an empty container with a lid, like an old ice cream tub. Cut rectangle-shaped holes into the sides. They need to be large enough for snails to crawl through. Place the finished trap in your garden where snails are most active, around cabbage, lettuce, or strawberries, for example. Pour the yeast mixture into the container and close it with the lid. Snails are drawn to the smell of fermenting yeast. They'll crawl inside and stay there. This is a safe and effective way to catch snails without using any chemicals.